Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a code for €100 coupon. Okay, this is a bundle that is applied to only new app users. So you need to be a new app user, or you've been an existing app user that hasn't used the app for more than 2 weeks, and maybe you've deleted and reinstalled the app. This might also work for you. The code is ACR 609164. Okay, so just search for this code and the €100 coupon bundle is applied to you. Okay, you need to be a new app user or a reinstalled app user, over 2 weeks of you not using the app, and then you reinstall the app. All right, I'm also going to have the link for you to download the app. With this code being applied to you, if you don't have the app on your phone and you want to download it, just use the link to download the app, and this €100 coupon bundle will be applied to you. The link will be in the description box as well as in my comment section. Please use the code, and if it works for you, let me know in the comment section and we'll just discuss it. Okay, if you have any questions about anything on Temu, you can definitely reach out to me, and if I have answers to your questions, I'll answer you. If you've gotten value from this video, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.